While studying, I was introduced to SOLIDWORKS in one of my CAD classes, and I've built up some experience with that. And then in the last 2 years, being at Red-Lined, I've worked on SOLIDWORKS every day.
I started using SOLIDWORKS Design Standard in January of 2024.
We at Red-Lined use SOLIDWORKS Design to design all our parts, and then we use SOLIDWORKS PDM for revision and file management, which also aids in procurement, having the latest versions at hand at all times.
My work consists largely of bodywork design, and so using the SOLIDWORKS Design inbuilt surface tool has made it much easier to get the work done. A lot of the work was outsourced, actually entirely. The work was entirely outsourced before, whereas SOLIDWORKS Design has now allowed us to bring that entire section of the car design in-house. In the process of manufacturing the bodywork, creating the patterns and the molds for the bodywork is a very lengthy time period to get those parts done, but also very costly. Making use of the draft analysis tool built into SOLIDWORKS Design Standard has helped to reduce the time it takes to get those parts done correctly, and also by reducing the time, reduce the cost.